All right, what's going on, guys? Tremaine here. We're back with another quick, real brief market review, going over the trade I took during this final hour macro. If you didn't watch yesterday's video, I took the same kind of setup during the final hour, targeting remaining liquidity. Okay, I teach this all the time in the Discord. The final hour macro, 3:15 to 3:45 p.m. New York time, is the easiest time window to trade. Okay, I took this trade on my phone. I was literally in Target shopping around. I kid you not. Okay, when it comes to this time window, 3:15 to 3:45, you don't need a daily chart. You don't really have to look at the dollar index. Okay, you don't have to look at other markets. It's simply, do you understand liquidity, right? So if we look at this, 3:15 to 3:45, okay, this is your final hour macro. That's your time window. What do we do prior to 3:15? Look at all the sell side here. Clean lows. All right, we drop down and take out the sell side. Now, I mention this all the time. The function, okay, the sole purpose of the final hour macro is to attack liquidity still left on the table. All right, I sent out in the Discord, if you look right here, these highs up here, way too smooth. Okay, as soon as we drop down and take out sell side, and I realize the final hour macro is just a few minutes away, my eye jumps immediately to these highs right here. Why? Because the final hour macro, its function is to attack liquidity still left on the table. Well, if we've taken out the sell side here, who's still left in the market? Who's still making money in the market? Traders going short. Buy stops. Way too smooth. All right, opening price at 3 p.m. For those in the Discord who've been watching the webinars, you already know what that means. Bullish order block. If we zoom in real close here, this down close candle, this candle opens here, trades down, okay? I try to get that entry. It happened too quick. We snap down. Once we start to run away, I just buy it. Okay, that's a close proximity entry. It's not chasing price. And I'm below that opening price at 3 p.m. So I wanted the order block entry, couldn't get it. Ended up getting my fill right there. As price starts to run away, I highlight this inversion fair value gap. I don't want to see that take us lower. Why? We've already done the damage of running out the sell side. Our focus is up here. These levels are way too clean. Okay. Buying the low, the inversion fair value gap there, expecting that to be treated as support. Had we closed above it, came back down, I would want that to offer support and take us higher. But as you can see, we form a fair value gap here. This candle opens, trades down just by one tick, and then rallies, clearing out the buy side, and you can see my exit right there. All right, so it's pretty simple, okay? All right, now my entries were obviously before 3:15. But that's because the stage was already set to go higher. How do I know that? Well, we've already taken out the sell side, and our focus is these clean highs up here. This high taken out, that's a market structure shift, bullish. So I'm looking to buy that, even though it's before 3:15 to 3:45. Beautiful price run there. Textbook delivery. So quick brief video explaining market on close macro, okay, trade execution. I also had one yesterday. If you haven't watched that video already, go check it out. We cover this stuff all the time in the Discord. All right, if you're not in there, get in there. It's free access, okay? There is a free option if you don't want to pay for the Discord. If you just want to chat it up with me and the guys and gals in there, I promise you'll enjoy it. So hope to see you in there. For those with access, we have our webinar tomorrow at 10 a.m. New York time. We're going to go over some things. Bring a notepad. All right, it's going to be good stuff. Love y'all. Everybody else, I'll see you guys in the free tape reading stream in Discord Monday at 9:30. All right, peace.